Yes, girls, it's this crackling sound of the beats for me. It is the combination of the beats for me. It is literally everything for me. Please stay tuned to see how I achieve this style. Okay?
Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please do not make it your last. Kindly hit the subscribe button below. Okay, it's all fun in here, so kindly hit the subscribe button down below so you get subscribed. Okay, and to our amazing returning viewers and subscribers, thank you also so much for all the love and support so far. Thank you for always coming back. Now, today I'm going to be making knotless braids with beads. I've been wanting to do this style for the longest time, and I'm so glad I'm finally getting to do it. This is going to be my first DIY protective style for 2022. I hope it comes out good. See, you guys, I'm super stoked for this one. So yeah, straight up I'm going to go down and show you the things that I'm going to be using for this look. So these are the air that I'm going to be using. I'm using a bunch of color 1 and some mixture of colors 30, 33, colors 27 and color 1. Yeah, so I have a bunch of those that I mixed, like this much that I mixed, and then the rest is color 1. I don't know how much air I'm using because I just used leftover air from maybe wig making, or even there are some air that I had used prior for jumbo braided ponytail styles, Fulani halo braids. If you watch that video, yes, that air I kept it, so I just finally loosened it up and then I fluffed it, and I'm going to be using it for this style. So I can't exactly tell you how many packs of air I used, but let's just say one large pack, like one jumbo pack of braiding air, let's just assume. And also I want the air to be like shoulder length, I guess, like this long, not more than this long. So I hope it's going to be enough, and I'm also trying to create fewer sections. So yeah, and I'm also going to be using some beads. Yeah, I picked this out at the beauty supply store near me, and I also have some clear beads that I think I'm going to mix in there. I have these clear ones, I might add them. I got these from a pack of 5. I got 5 packs of these from Attack Beauty on Instagram. She's your plug for affordable hair accessories, makeup, whatever. Okay, so I'm also going to be using these big beeswax. I'm not going to be using the gel, I don't want build-ups. For moisturizing my hair, I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil. You guys, I went to the store to pick out my hair moisturizer or maybe a leave-in conditioner, and guess what I came back home with? A moisturizing conditioner. Like, how did I miss that? So now I'm left with this is what I'm going to be
As per
using
usual,
to
my
moisturize
hair
my
is
hair.
in sections of chunky braids. This time I have 8 chunky braids to allow my hair stretch while it is drying. And yeah, I had deep conditioned my hair prior to this. So yes, my hair, this was like, so yes, this was almost 2 days after washing the hair and putting it in these braids. Another bonus for this is that I'm now going to work with these sections to actually create my braids. You guys, defined and neat patterns are not my forte, you guys, and I'm going to get better at it. I know. I think I'm getting better at it actually, but I am not 100% keen on them. So I'm just going to work with these sections as they are and braid my hair all up, as you're going to see in this video. I find that this makes the braiding my own hair less overwhelming as opposed to having my hair all loosen up and then having to cope with the huge mass of hair on my head. Sometimes I feed in air about 3 times, and some other times I end up feeding in the air 4 times. It actually depends on how short the air that I'm feeding in is and how thin the braid that I'm doing is, and if I want to add to the size of the braid or to the length of it. And yes, I had 2 different lengths of hair because I don't know, I'm going to insert an image of the braiding hairs that I used some already used hair, so those ones were cut shorter than the actual fresh braiding hair that I used with it. You guys, I've never attempted using a mirror to aid, seeing the back of my head. So I was like trying to struggle to find the right angle. But yeah, I think this helped me as well. Usually I'll just feel with my fingers to know whether the lines are kind of straight. If you care for defined patterns, if you like to get more defined patterns, I think there are lots of tutorials here on YouTube that help you to do that. I personally, with the with the fact that I'm so lazy, coupled with the fact that I have a head full of kinky curls or coils, I feel like I don't want to stress myself too much to try and get exactly or perfect patterns. So yeah, this one works for me. Yes, guys, so at this point, I must have been braiding for about 3 hours or 3 hours, 20 minutes ish. So I've only gotten the first 2 sections done. Oh, you guys.
One eternity later.
So guys, at this point, I don't even know for how long I must have been. Reduce the volume. I don't know for how long I must have been braiding. Well, but I've taken breaks to make dinner, to eat, whatever. guys, the time is 9:59, and this is how far we've come. I would say we are 90% done with braiding, or should I say 95% done. I think this should be about 12 braids. If I do 3 or 4, yeah, 4, let's say 12 braids left. Yeah, so I don't know, all the braiding hair left, this is all the braiding hair that I have left. I wish to exhaust it before I go to bed. um but I'm already tired. You guys. I think I'll just call it a night. I'll continue in the morning. This, I have to wake up at 5 in the morning because I have other things to do during the day, and I would not want the air to come and take time. So I'm going to continue in the morning. I think this should take me not more than 1 hour to do. So I'll see you guys in the morning. So right now we're just going to get on to accessorizing. One thing that I did, or a mistake that I made, and I would want you to be mindful of, is actually being decisive of the length of braids you want. Because at the end of the day, I ended up cutting off most of the hair that I braided, as you're going to see as I bead up the braid. So now I'm going to show you guys how to apply beads using bobby pins and a crochet needle or a crochet hook. So that's it for this video, you guys. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you did enjoy it. I loved it. I did not feel distressed that much because I really loved the outcome of it. Like, I did not feel distressed at all. I'm not mad at it at all. Let me know what you think about this look. If you're going to be trying it, let me also know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the color, everything about this look. Let me know. I would like to hear your thoughts or read your thoughts in the comment section. And also, if you did learn a thing or two, please leave me a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to leave a comment below. And if you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Really, what exactly are you waiting for? kindly hit the subscribe button right now and join the family. And please do share this video as well to your friends and family. And what else do I say? Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.